These vehicles are made in Ukraine, in capital city Kyiv. Currently around 1,000 units are operating worldwide, mostly for the search and rescue services, pipelines companies, power lines companies, mining companies, humanitarian companies. One of our very reputable clients is the United Nations that use these vehicles for their operations in Africa to deliver food to the people who are in need with this product. We have the very highest expectations from Turkey based on our 2-week demo tour that we spent here. We managed to visit different government authorities like firefighting departments, police, gendarmerie, special forces, also business companies involved in pipelines management, TEAS, BOTAS companies, so responsible for the power lines management, search and rescue, of course, AFAD. So we believe that due to these vehicles, Turkish market will get the very strong product to make the living in the country safer, better, and let the business work faster and more effective at any terrain and weather conditions.